Commercial real estate has long been one of the most reliable wealth-building tools, and here's why. Appreciation, passive income, and tax benefits make it a smart investment. Let's break it down. Commercial properties typically appreciate in value over time. As demand increases and locations develop, your investment grows. Whether it's retail spaces, office buildings, or industrial properties, holding on to commercial real estate means your property's value could significantly rise. Commercial properties generate passive income through leasing. With long-term tenants, you can enjoy consistent cash flow. And the best part? You don't have to actively manage the day-to-day once a reliable property management team is in place. Investing in commercial real estate comes with tax advantages. From depreciation write-offs to deductible operating expenses, commercial property owners can significantly lower their taxable income, which adds even more to your bottom line. With appreciation, passive income, and tax benefits, commercial real estate is more than just an investment. It's a long-term wealth-building strategy. Ready to start your journey? Comment "Invest now" if you're ready to take the first step.